Blender EV is cool, but I also talked about how LightWave kind of does the same, and that is you use Monte Carlo interpolator, for example, with low settings, and of course low settings here as well. So something like that will make it quite speedy, not real time, but you know, not that bad either. So that's kind of like Eevee-ish, Blender Eevee. Anything else? Well, I mean, Eevee has flicker, and of course this is LightWave 11.6, so it does have drawbacks in regards to volumetric lighting and stuff. But I just wanted to show you that, you know, you can get basically real time in LightWave as well. So, and this is on a slow, very slow i5 machine. Let's just scale this up slightly, see how it computes. Okay, so that's slower, of course, but again, you probably have a faster computer. A faster CPU. Of course, I think Blender EV uses both CPU and GPU, so of course the new tech guys have to start to look into that, how to add GPU to the LightWave render. I think they really should and have to. Anyway, just want to show that this is not that far away from real time. And again, once again, this is a very slow computer, i5 machine. On yours, it's probably going to be close to real time.